Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Friday, November 15, 2019, and maybe we should all just start laughing. Seriously, let me read this to you, because I don't want this to be my words. Here we go. The headline today. It's really not funny, but it kind of is. New York Empire State Factory Index falls 6 straight months in November. Now, it goes on to say, the Empire State Business Index moved down 1.1 points to 2.9 in November. Economists had expected a reading of 5. Look, this is enough bad news to now vault stock futures higher. Stocks are poised for a record high open. Yeah, you know how this works. The more bad economic news we get, the higher stocks are going to go. And, you know, imagine if we had a real market. Now, speaking of fakery, Larry Kudlow was paraded out yesterday. And he said, guess what, everyone? A China deal is close again. Yeah, this has become some kind of a joke again on the people. The recycled nonsense garbage story over and over again. How many times are they going to parade this story out before people just, you know, even, I don't know, the most ardent supporters of whoever are starting to call nonsense on this story. But again, it seems like it's working. So between the Larry Kudlow saying a deal is close, and we all know it's not, and this bad economic news about U.S. factory activity, well, that's enough again to vault stocks higher in this environment. And what can you expect for other assets? Pressure on metals, pressure on cryptocurrencies, and that's opportunity, people. Again, what I do every day is I say, well, where are the opportunities? Period. And I can't stress this enough to you. If we understand that the system is completely upside down and the lies keep getting bigger and bigger, hence, you know, Larry Kudlow, deal's close again. We know it's not true, but they keep recycling this. They have to brainwash more people, program more people with the propaganda that everything is just great. Couldn't be any better than it is. Again, not one single piece of good economic news for years. But the narrative, we're booming. We're doing fantastic. It's propaganda. It's more lies. And these lies are going to get even worse. But again, what does it mean? It means opportunity for this market, for traders like myself, my lions out here that I love so much, my little cubs. Love them all. And for those of you that don't trade this market, that's fine for you too. The opportunity here to buy unbelievably suppressed assets, and I'm referring to hard assets, gold, more specifically silver, platinum, palladium, love them too. And yes, cryptocurrencies that are being massively suppressed here. Yeah, it's off the Richter scale, people. They could not be making this easier for us to win, and we're not going to lose. There's no way we're going to let this opportunity pass us by. It's not happening. Not in this reality. If they want to keep inflating stocks, good. Let them do that. We'll take advantage of that, me and my lions, my little cubs. And for those of you that just understand that the goal here of the Fed and the current administration and every following administration, no matter what they're saying, is to continue to inflate. The end game here, the final solution, is to issue more debt on an incredible scale, and that's what we're seeing now. It will not stop. The debt bubble will be inflated until this thing blows up so badly, so hard. And again, it will become risk off. Right now, it's risk on across the sky. Take advantage of it. What that means, again, stocks will go up, other assets will become more suppressed, Debt will be added to on an unprecedented scale. So, longer term, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer for us. It's true. It's so easy. It's, I don't know. To me, I'll be honest with you, I love watching this. I really do. I hate to think about where this is going to go. But again, this is a natural selection. It's a natural order that is playing out here. They've taken natural laws and exploited them. This is why we have 99% sheep out here walking towards the slaughter. And those of us here that understand what we need to do, well, we're going to come out of this smelling like a rose. There's no doubt about it. It's a natural order. It's a natural selection that they have managed to exploit. Look, there's always winners and there is always losers in any type of a situation like this. And this one, as unique as it is, and there's been nothing like it, is opportunity. That's all I have to say. Opportunity. Let the lies continue to come out. Let the propaganda get even bigger than it is, because it's going to. Again, as good as it gets. Economy as strong as ever. Meanwhile, for years, we haven't had one single piece of economic news. The only thing that they talk about, the president himself and everybody else, is the low unemployment numbers, which are fake. It's the labor force participation rate, which matters, how many people in the workforce. Those numbers are lower today than during the financial meltdown. You will not hear that. You're not supposed to know that. It's covered up. You don't believe me? Go to the Bureau of Labor Statistics and look it up for yourself. It's too funny. This guy right here loves you a lot. And I mean that from the heart. Please share the video. Get it out there. I'll see you at the end of the day.